English learners, welcome to the Word of English with Professor Majid Shabbir Jafri. Today's topic is articles. Articles part 1 we are going to discuss now. First thing, what are articles? Articles are special modifiers that appear before noun or noun phrases. Like other adjectives, they help clarify the meaning of the noun in your sentence. It means article plus noun. Article comes before a noun. An apple. In this example, an is article and apple is noun. So article comes before a noun. Just like an adjective, it is a special modifier. Special modifier that appear before nouns or noun phrases. Types of articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. First one, indefinite article, a or an. A and an are called indefinite articles because they are used to refer to something in a less specific manner, an unspecified count noun. It means indefinite article a or an, they are used with common things which are not specific, which are not particular. Second one is definite article. Definite article, the, or it is also called the. The is called the definite article because it usually precedes a specific or previously mentioned noun. Definite article and indefinite article. From these two, indefinite article and definite article, we can say articles tell us whether the noun is definite or indefinite. Look at indefinite articles in detail. First indefinite article is a. It is used before a noun which is singular. It gives the meaning of singular. It means one. When the noun is common, common means when it gives the sense of any. A pen means any pen. A boy means any boy. A girl means any girl. One and also it gives the sense of any. Next one, it comes before a noun beginning with consonant sounds. Other than vowel sounds are called consonant sounds. The sounds of a is vowel sound. Other sounds are called consonant sounds. Examples: a cat, ka. Ka sound is consonant sound. A cat. A pen, pa sound is consonant sound. So we have put a pen, a table, a chair, etc. So from these examples, we have got the idea. A cat means cat is singular and cat is common and also beginning with consonant sound. So a comes or a comes before nouns which are singular, common and beginning with consonant sounds. Use of an. Indefinite article an. It comes before a noun when the noun is singular, when it is singular and also common. But the next thing is the word, the noun beginning with vowel sound. Vowel sound, the sound of a. Look at the examples: an egg, an umbrella. Egg, the sound of a, an egg. Umbrella, sound of a, an umbrella. An egg means egg is singular, egg is common, and also beginning with vowel sound. So we can say an comes when the noun is singular, common, and beginning with vowel sound. Indefinite articles. Here are some more examples of indefinite articles and their uses. A comes when the sound is consonant. When the noun beginning with consonant sound. And A comes before a noun beginning with vowel sound. Look at the examples. Please give me a pencil. I saw an elephant in the zoo. An honest man. Honest. Although the letter is H, but the sound is vowel sound. An honest man. An M-A. M-A. Although the letter is M, but the sound is vowel sound. M-A. An M-A. Again on the same pattern, an S-D-O. Don't look at the letter S, look at the sound, vowel sound, S, E-S, N, S-D-O, vowel sound. A university. Here the letter is vowel, but the sound is consonant, university, a university. An MBBS, MBBS, letter is M, but the sound is vowel M, an MBBS. So from these examples, we have come to know that A comes before the sounds, before the nouns beginning with consonant sounds, and An comes when the noun begins with vowel sound. Now we step forward towards definite article. Definite article, the is used before some proper nouns. First use. Before the name of rivers, the Indus, the Nile. Names of oceans and seas. The Black Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. Names of deserts, the Sahara. Then the names of canals, the Suez Canal. Before the name of rivers, ocean and seas, deserts and canals, we have to put definite article the. The is used before some proper nouns. So look at these proper nouns, groups, names of these proper nouns. Groups of islands, the West Indies. It is not the name of the country, although it is the name of the country, but West Indies, the West Indies, groups of islands. Mountain ranges, not with mountain, the names of mountain, no, bit with mountain ranges, the Himalayas. A few countries which include words like republic and kingdom, or simply we can say countries which are group of different states. The Irish Republic, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, the United States of America, the USSR, the United Soviet States of Russia. Step forward with definite article. Definite article the is used with the names of religious books, holy books, the Holy Quran, the Holy Bible, The Muslims recite the Holy Quran daily. The is used with the places of worship. The mosque, the church, the temple. I go to the mosque daily. I am going to perform my prayers in the mosque. The mosque, the Faisal Mosque. The church or the name of some church. We have to put article before the places of worship, whether they are used as common or specific or particular. The is used with the things unique of their kind, unique things in nature. The sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth, the moon, the stars. The sun rises in the east. The is used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. The horse is a noble animal. The dog is a faithful animal. The camel is called the ship of desert. In these three examples, the horse, the dog, the camel, they are singular, but they are representing their whole class, whole family. The dog is a faithful animal. It means dog, any dog. Dog is a faithful animal. Men and women are exempted. If we use man for the whole class, women for the whole class, we are not supposed to put article, definite article before man and women if they are representing the whole class. Man is a social animal. Here man means human beings. Man is mortal. Here man means human beings. So we are not supposed to put definite article before man and women when they represent the whole class. Another use of definite article the. The is used with superlatives, with superlative degree of an adjective. The most intelligent boy of the class failed, unfortunately. Intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. The most intelligent. The most intelligent superlative degree. He is the best boy in the town. The best boy, superlative degree, good, better, and the best. I saw the loveliest flower in the garden. The loveliest flower. The is used with ordinals when they come before noun. Counting. If we use counting such like the first, the second, the third, the fourth, this type of counting is called ordinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 counting. But ordinals, the first, second, third, fourth, ordinals. When ordinals are followed by noun, then we have to put article before ordinals. He was the first man to arrive. The second man in the row stood up. So we have concluded the use of articles, lecture number 1. John Didion says about grammar, grammar is very powerful tool. Grammar is a piano I play by ear. All I know about grammar is its power. We can do nothing with any language if we don't know grammar of that language. See you in the next lecture. Best of luck, Punjabians.